Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is a different one. We're not going on a building site, we're going to a site where we've just had it all renovated. This one's in partnership with Property Inc. If you haven't checked them out, go and check them out, because I met these guys out in Mippin in France and they were great to connect with. This property has actually been designed to a whole different level. It's contemporary, you've got great designs such as cinema rooms, we have great bathrooms in here, 5 living spaces, there's even a outdoor, indoor sort of garden space area where you can just be chilling there, and I can't wait to show you this, so follow me. So now we're here, straight away you can see these metal railing sort of style radiators. You can see the herringbone sort of flooring that we've got here and the whole contemporary style. Straight away you can see how high these ceilings are, and you know, when I tell you the price, wait till the end, you're not gonna even believe it. We've got sort of great features here where we come into one of the living rooms. As you can see, look how well this has been designed. These are crystal doors, and these were actually made to measure for this property. Here we have our wood sash windows. So everything has been built to spec for this property and to go in with the 19th century feel. We've got another living area which could be used as a dining room, but maybe I might use that slightly differently down there. But for now, it could be even used as something for children living space, a little play area. And if you follow me, oh, careful with this bit. There's a little bit of a surprise when we look down there. This is actually see-through through another floor that we have below. So here we come into the kitchen with some real German engineering. We've got a no-till style kitchen, and even some of the appliances that are used here are some of the best Siemens, as you can see. Lovely sort of hob up here, and got a lovely sink where you can see the front of it. Normally these are concealed. You've got a lovely fridge and freezer over this side. And just look behind you, guys. If we look over this way, look how much light is being brought through this area here. Look at the size of this door. Again, all of these things are bespokely made. You can entertain all your guests where you've got ovens and grills all down here and you can be sitting. And I've actually got a little secret for you. If you come through here, it looks like we've got another fridge and freezer here, but we've actually got a hidden space. So we've got another floor going downwards. As we come here, we've got some of our appliances here. You've got the washing machine and a dryer. And we come into our cinema room. Check this out, where you're just chilling out with one of your friends and watching your favorite movies, concealed away from the rest of the house. We've also got a wine cellar here, guys. And that glass piece I was talking to you about is right here, looking down into the wine cellar. Another great feature of this house is it's in the Brownswood conservation area, and that only consists of 5 roads. And the road that we're actually on today is actually the most highest out of all of these. So we don't expect this house to be on the market for very long, because people are always looking for houses on this street. It's actually one of the most quieter ones, where they have the roads blocked so people can't just have passing traffic. So that's another great feature. Before we go upstairs, I want to show you something really quirky. It only looks like another little cupboard, but we've actually got another little cloakroom right here. So follow me upstairs, guys. We've actually got 3 floors to get into. We come into the very first bedroom here. You can actually open this, guys, and you can have a really great view from here. We've actually got a boiler room here, and you can put some other utility things down there. Look at this herringbone flooring, like it just oozes contemporary sort of style. We've got lovely finishing lights in our first bedroom. This has all been staged, ready for sale. We again got this bespoke style radiator, got a flat screen on the wall, and here we got our dressing room, guys. This is when you're getting ready before a lovely night out, and we've also got amazing walk-in wardrobes designed. Here we come into the contemporary style bathrooms, lovely sinks. And most importantly, that walk-in shower. We've got a recess here where you can put in all of your shampoos and sponges. And we've got a shower head along with your handheld one also. This is what people are looking for. This is not a house that you're going to be building for somebody who just wants to rent this out. This is ready for someone to move in. And on that note, we're actually got this on the market for around about 2.4 million, with the expectation of actually reaching above that figure. Here we come into the master bathroom, and we've got a lovely bathtub here, beautiful sink. Alongside, we've got another walk-in shower to use. They've really thought about the design here, guys, in terms of creating these recessed shelves. So you can put all sorts of decoration here. You've got the ventilation up here. And again, you've got the wooden sash windows throughout. These are not cheap at all, guys. So make sure when you're costing up your renovations, you're taking into account of how much some of these cost. On one of our large, big developments, we actually spent £80,000 alone just on windows. So this ain't for the light-hearted. So as we're coming to the hallway, what I really want to accentuate is look at the high ceilings. These are absolutely massive. There isn't no loft conversion here, but we've actually gone into loft space to create that openness rather than having a flat ceiling. So follow us for the last 2 bedrooms. As we come here, we've got lovely wardrobe space here, lovely open feel, and there's plenty of lighting that's coming through. We've gone through another contemporary feel with the design, but when this is going to be sold, you're not going to get the furnishing unless you're going to be paying for them. Look how high these doors are, guys. That is massive. It gives that expensive feel. Beautiful ceiling heights. And as you can see from there, there's a lot of light that's coming from here and one of these Velux windows above. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Let me know what you feel about the channel, where we're not always on building sites. You can actually see the end in sight. But again, I hope you get a lot of ideas with some of the people who I collaborate with this on this channel. And if you guys want to get involved also, then also drop me a DM. It's Seanland, SEANLAND_1 on Instagram. That will come straight forward to me. We'll also leave a link in the description where you can contact me if you want some of your houses showcased. And also, guys, if you want to be learning how to get some of these houses renovated, learn the whole process of how do you get from back to brick to something that looks amazing to this level, then you've got to be around the right people. And this is why I've created the Property Initiator VIP site visits. This is where we go through case studies twice a month. Not only that, you're in a like-minded community. You've also got an in-person site visit in London. If you'd like to know more about that, hit me up, and it's closer than you think. But that's enough for this one. Don't forget to smash the like button, leave me a comment, and share this with somebody who needs to see this. Peace.